Jace Tunnell here. I was going to talk to y'all about plastic bottles and stuff we see on the beach all the time. Like right there. And we find that all the time, unfortunately. But then as I was walking up, I looked at this can. And I noticed that there's some kind of writing on here. It's not English. Actually, it says Hong Kong. So maybe that's Chinese writing, I guess. But there's something, I think there's something in here for sure. China duty not paid. Okay, not sure what that means. Nanyang Brothers Tobacco Company Ltd. Since 1905. Whoa, maybe it's cigarettes or something. I'm gonna pop this off. Oh, it's like welded with rust. Okay, let me set the camera down. You know, I always carry a Leatherman with me, and so there's been a tar on the beach lately. Okay, so it looks like this lid. I'm curious now. I got to know what's in here. And you know what? This could have come from a shrimp boat or something like that. It has rust. It does have little barnacles on the bottom, gooseneck barnacles, which, you know, tells me it's been out in the water for a while. And the fact that this is rusted onto here tells me it's been out there for a while. So this could have come from, you know, anywhere in the world, like China. Of course, I would expect it to be a little more messed up if it all came from China, although it's in a metal can. And like, if there's cigarettes in here and it's a metal can, that would be odd. Real odd. Oh, it just made like a gas type smell. You know, it goes tss, like when you open a Sprite bottle or something. You don't smell anything. Of course, that's not saying much. It's like 100 degrees out here and 100% humidity. So the fact that I'm still alive is kind of interesting. Okay, here we go. Ooh, man, I'll tell you what. If you've never had a Leatherman before, these things are awesome. Oh, yeah, it smells like cigarettes. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh. This is like, what is this? They're all like, oh, you know what? Okay, I bet you I know what this is. Filters for cigarettes are made of plastic. So this is there's a bunch of things in here that look like this, and it smells like tobacco. I bet you all the tobacco is just rotted out or whatever, and all that's left is the filter. So this thing was cigarettes, a can of cigarettes. That has got to be one of the most interesting things I found, even besides all the scientific equipment and everything. Can of cigarettes from Hong Kong. That's pretty cool. Okay, well, I'm gonna bring this back and dispose of it properly. But I never knew that you could buy cigarettes in a can. Okay, now, and you know, something to learn here about ocean currents too. Like I always talk about, could be coming from anywhere. Okay, thanks, talk to you later, bye.